cliff effect on this smartphone, and yes, by now you would have guessed that this is the Nothing Phone 2A that's launched in India. And this is of course the USP of the Nothing phones. What are the other details of this smartphone? Well, we'll tell you all about it in this video. Let's take a closer look at the Nothing Phone 2A right here with me.
Nothing has launched its phone 2A in India, and talking about the specification, the screen is 6.7 inches flexible AMOLED display, which means it can deliver stunningly accurate color reproduction with 1.0 billion colors and also has 1300 nits of peak brightness. It has 120 Hz of refresh rate, and this goes down to 30 Hz for videos and still to preserve battery. Talking about the design of Nothing Phone 2A, it is an ultimate representation of Nothing's unique design expression. In fact, it embodies the first ever internal smartphone design concept that was created all the way back in 2020. With Phone 2A, by replacing the cameras inside the NFC coil, Nothing has created a new product icon, the eyes. So if you see the back side of the phone, it actually has two eyes that are actually looking at you. Yes, there is the hub of intelligence that powers the phone, much like a brain. Phone 2A features an industry first with its 90-angle unibody cover wrapping around the edges to create a new dimension and perspective to Nothing's design, while seamlessly integrating the dual camera module. Well, talking about the performance, the Phone 2A has Dimensity 70-100 Pro processor and has been exclusively co-engineered with MediaTek to deliver the best performance. Also, talking about the other things, the Nothing and MediaTek have introduced optimizations such as Smart Clean, also adaptive NPFFs that reduces power consumption of specific components by up to 10%. Nothing has 5000 mAh of battery with 45 watts of charging. The battery also has 13% reduction in temperature when charging and discharging compared to the Phone 1. Talking about the camera are a dual 50 megapixel at the back, and at the front you get a 32 megapixel for your selfie. Nothing 2A enters the market with Nothing OS 2.5, and unlike the majority of devices in this category, this one comes with Android 14 and does give you impressive 3 years of software updates and 4 years of security updates. Moving on to the main thing, that's the USP of the Nothing phones. On the back of the phone 2A has the glyph interface. That's the USP of the Nothing phones, a new way to interact with a smartphone that encourages people to put their screens down and refer to the light and the sound patterns for the key information. The new glyph interface still retains the new capabilities of Phone 2, including the glyph timer and the glyph progress that utilizes third-party integrations.
So the Nothing Phone 2A comes in three variants: 8 and 128GB, 8 and 256GB, and 12 and 256GB. The price of the Nothing 2A starts from 23,999 and goes up to 27,999. This is the Nothing phone. We told you all the details and we'll give you a quick review very soon.